how to make an auto investment with Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can make an auto investment on Binance, how to use binance.com/auto investment. What is auto investment and everything you need to know about auto investment on Binance. And at the end of this video, you will have an idea that how you can get started with it. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Before we start, I just want to mention that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, trading in with auto investment, it involves a high degree of risk, and if you can afford to lose money or not. So before you get into crypto and trading and check out Binance, make sure you have all the right information about it and you're ready to actually trade in crypto. That being said, let's check out our platform. What you have to do is you will simply go to Binance.com. You might have heard about Binance or you are already using Binance. You know that Binance is world's leading cryptocurrency platform where we can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. We can also check out their market. We have earn option finance, and now we are also getting an NFT marketplace. So Binance is kind of like a platform that has all of the features for you when it comes to trading in crypto. So now the first thing is going to be signing up for Binance before we get into auto investment, and I show you how auto investment works on Binance. So getting started is really easy. If you have not signed up yet, you simply click on register right here and Binance allows you to register. You simply sign up with your phone or email, or you can continue with your Apple. So I'm going to click right here, sign up with phone, then you continue with your country. After that, you have to select create account, verify identity, or unlock price. We want to create a personal account, so we will simply click right here. And now there are 4 steps in order to create an account on Binance. So you have to enter your account details, which is like email address and password. Then you verify your email with the code they sent you, and then after that you have to enter your phone number and then phone verification. So it's super easy. You simply type in your email address, set up a password, verify, add phone number, and verify. Then you will simply get your own account on Binance.com. Once you have your Binance, then you can use Binance on your phone as on the Binance app. But I am using it on my PC, so I can give you an expanded view of how things work. What you have to do is when you are on your Binance, you have to go to Earn. In Earn, you will find the option of auto invest, which is actually a quite new option right here. So you will simply click on auto invest and it will take you to binance.com/savings/auto invest. This is where the auto investment happens. It's a very unique option that is available on a crypto trading platform. And so let me actually show you how it works. So once you open up your auto investment, what you have to do is start creating your auto investment plan. Why you need auto investment? What is auto investment? So auto investment simply means that the process of investment is going to be automatic. You simply create a plan for yourself, you select a coin, and after that Binance locks your plan for you for maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years. You will get your own spot price. You create a plan, and after that, you don't have to go ahead and buy the coins every time, invest, do those things. Binance will do that for you. You just create your own portfolio, which is your auto investment portfolio, and then the rest is done by Binance. You can see right here, create your own auto investment plan. Start creating your auto investment plan. Pick a coin you want to invest in. Decide your investment amount and schedule a recurring plan. You will decide the investment, that how much you want to invest, and you will select the date, the time. You will schedule everything. But then you don't need to go through the hassle of opening up your platform every time and going through the different pricing value and comparing them. Binance will do that for you. Then we have enjoy the auto investment plan while earning passive income. So this is really good for people who want to earn passive income with crypto, and you don't have to, go through this every day and make it your, part-time job, and take time out of your day, but it will do it automatically and you will still be earning your passive income. So right now we have 26 coins available on Binance for this option. You can see right here the coins are BNB, BTC, ETH, 1AP, MBUS. So let's go ahead and view more auto investment products. So we have our own list right here. We have Sol available as well. So all of the famous coins are available. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Illuvium for games, we have Solana. All of them are actually available right here. If you want to search a coin, you can simply click right here, and then you will be able to search for a particular coin if it's available for auto investment. So I think all of them are actually available. We have Cake as well. So all of the famous ones are here. So this is actually pretty amazing that this is very new, but all of the famous coins are available. This is actually pretty good. Now all you have to do is select a coin of your choice. Let's say that you want to go with this coin right here. So you will actually check their historical ROI. Then you have to select the plan, set a time frame for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 3 year. And this is going to be the spot price. And if you want to check out the chart, let's go with 3 months. Let's say I want to go with 3 months and the historical ROI is going to be 3.2%. Let's go ahead and check the chart. All right, so this is our chart view for our BNB historical performance. You can see right here, this is the date right here for us to give us an idea that what's the historical performance for the coin we are going to select. So you can see right here it was 0 here, then it kind of like went to minus first month of this year, but right now it is actually doing pretty good. And you can see right here the APY is 5.43%. So I can check right here that this is the history for this coin. Similarly, I can go ahead and check history for any coin. Let's go with this one. This is the BTC historical performance. It was quite low. Now this is actually the BTC historical performance for 3 years. Let's go for 3 months because I kind of like checked the recent, or maybe 1 year. Let's go with 1 year. And let's check the chart. All right, so this is for 1 year right here in October of last year, and right now this is the price and everything. Keep in mind the pricing I'm showing you right here are actually at the time of making this video. It may vary when you will be watching this video or when you will check out the platform, so don't worry about it. Of course, you know that if you're trading in crypto, then we have spot prices available as well. Now to create a plan, you simply click right here. If you have signed up for your Binance, then you will be able to create your own plan with your Binance. You simply log into your account with your information, or you can log in with your QR code. So for privacy reasons, I'm not gonna log in right now. That is how simply it is. You simply log in and then you can simply create your own plan with Binance auto investment, and then you don't need to worry about it, and you will be able to earn your passive income automatically with Binance without doing much. This option is actually quite new on Binance, and it will actually improve and upgrade with time. We will have more coins. If your coin is not available right now, it will be in some time, and then you will be able to trade and earn crypto with auto investment option on Binance. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do auto investment on Binance. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.